Yes, there is one more success here. Sumant Kumar, who cleared PAP recently. When he cleared? 18th. Oh man, just a day before. Okay. Hope Sumant slept well after this exam.
In fact, I did not sleep because I was waiting for the certificate in because I only saw that what do you call the above target or below target, something like that. They gave a printout,
Right.
so I was waiting till 6 o'clock to see my certificate myself. So
Man, so then this night you need a great sleep. After this, I think before the interview ends, you will be go to sleep. Okay, first of all, congratulations from Sri Lanka and team
thank
because
you.
it's a great effort, and I can see that effort in your look.
Thank you, Sriram.
Okay, great, man. Great, good effort. So, I know with just you completed the exam. Before we talk about the journey of preparation, straight away we talk about the exam first. How the exam actually it was. You did at least 24 hours back, right? Just now we did the exam.
Yes,
Let's talk
yes.
about the exam first. We'll listen to you.
Uh, it is really, I felt it is tough in the sense that the questions are really tricky. Not they are not following a particular pattern. So when I was discussing with other people who got through this exam, they were telling me that the first half is little trickier than the second half, like that. But I
Mm.
found for every fifth or sixth question is like really tricky,
Okay.
and it is not of not about 1 2 lines or 3 lines. It's like 4 lines kind of thing.
Oh, big
So
questions again.
yeah, 4 lines, and
Oh,
also not that two answers are similar. I found four answers were similar. Like I
man.
failed
Okay, that's
to.
a tough paper for you.
Yes.
Okay, that's interesting to know because many of them took exam said only two lines they're getting. Now I'm hearing it's a 4 lines questions coming up. Okay, that's pretty interesting. Okay, what else? What else were the bounces in the exam for you?
It was like I was expecting change questions,
Change
from
management.
change related questions, but most of the questions were from quality, risk, stakeholders, and communications. And one surprise for me was like there were 8 to 10 questions from procurement only. Procurement, and they linked with other things, but procurement, 8 questions, 8 to 9 questions.
God,
And
man.
only 2 questions from agile concepts, but they were pretty straight.
Straight. Okay.
In terms of problems, two problems, state problems, and
Uh,
in the state problems also, it is like this. As you said in one of the videos, they really play with the mind. It's all about mind game. I found that they say that most likely, most optimistic, everything most. So we need to figure it out what exactly. So first time I read the question and I did the I selected the answer,
uh.
but I thought something is going wrong. So
Something wrong.
I corrected myself second time. So
Good.
most of the questions were like the language they use and the scenarios they build. It's really
Good.
I found really tricky because
Okay, okay, Suman, super. Good job. You did a tough question. You cleared the exam. It's something really interesting. It's something like when Shoaib Akhtar, the good bowler, when he was in peak time, some of the good batsmen want to play his bowling. The poor batsman will run away, will scare of him. But the good batsman, I won't talk only India players, some of the good players also, they want to face his ball. It's about you face a big thing and you beat it to 4 or 6, you feel wow, we did it right. I think you did
yes,
a good job in that way. I appreciate you.
yeah, thank you.
Surprise Sumant here because many of them telling that change management, lot of questions were there. But now I'm hearing more on quality and risk management.
Every third or fourth question was on quality with related to risk. So which answer I should take? Whether I should
Oh, it's a mix
select
of.
quality related or a mix of quality and risk.
My
Most of the questions.
goodness, man, tricky, man. Both are tricky subject, quality and risk.
Yes. Yeah.
No wonder you grown up this much hair for the exam.
No, it's a lot of effort, Sriram.
Okay, but still, when you saw that the success, congratulations. Definitely, you
It
would have
was
been emotional.
emotional because the effort which I put in for the last 3 to 4 months,
Uh-huh.
it yielded some kind of positive result. I was very, very happy, and I messaged you also, right? but I
Right.
typed your name as Sri Kumar because I was in a kind of
Fine. That's fine.
so it's like
Name doesn't matter here. No problem. See, you know what? The efforts which you put, it's something very big. It's not only you, any people going for the exam. We are trying our best to give the knowledge and give the push. But end of day, when you don't do performance on the exam hall, it's something big failure. It'll happen. So all credit goes to you and the family behind you who made it
uh,
really tough.
yeah, that is true because I have two kids,
Actually,
both are boys. So
okay.
the kind of things they do in the house, kudos to my wife for taking care of my two kids for more than 3 months, three to
That's
four
individually,
months.
that's a project, right? Handling them.
That itself is a yes. Because I was writing mock tests in the room and my sons are like screaming outside. So I
Bro,
had to work a lot on that aspect, but my wife took care of them.
so nice, so nice.
I have to
Definitely.
thank her.
They need a party. You, you have to take, just don't start with the thank you, take them somewhere out. Okay, coming to the preparation part. From the exam, we'll go to preparation. In the preparation, how many practice tests you took?
In preparation, I took all 7 tests in Prepcast.
Oh, that's good.
So before that, when I started Rita, I started reading Rita while I was attending your classes.
Right.
So started Rita, and also as you suggested, I practiced that chapter and questions.
Mm, mm.
So got 60, 55 around 50, 55. So I just I read Rita and I missed a couple of chapters. I did not read it, but I
Okay.
started reading Pimbok. So when
Mm,
I started reading Pimbok, I could able to connect with the subject. It
mm.
was really good and also giving some knowledge also in terms of the way they give everything in one sentence, one sentence or one para. So after that I started taking prepcast in October.
Okay.
So first test I got 60%. I shared a couple of results with you also, first and second test. So second test it was like 59.5. It
Mm,
got down.
mm.
So again I contacted you and yeah, I corrected myself and analyzed it. But highest score in Pripcast was like 71. I did not cross 71.
That's
So I
fine.
tried my level best.
That's fine.
It's like working.
See, I generally give a number between 68 to 73.
Okay, okay.
That's a good number to clear the exam, but still some people are there, they get 75, 80. Some people have, I'll get only 90, then we'll go to exam.
Oh
It's
my God.
their wish. I don't say anything. So some people are there, right? So we will tell that the average is 68 to 73, decent score to clear the exam. But when you get 68 to 73, the main exam will be a tough fight.
That's right.
If you get 75 plus in the practice exam, main exam will be okay.
Easy.
Good to travel. That's how it will be. So I heard
But
from.
I found, but what I've done is I spoke to that 90% guy. If you remember Ramchandran, who
Hmm.
got like 90 in everything.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
spoke to
yeah.
him a couple of times. He
For him, tough
he
exam,
really.
yeah.
So what I did was like I started doing this PMI mock test.
Okay.
So I practiced PMI mock test 3 days before the exam, couple of times.
Okay.
So what I did, like I started doing first 50 questions and canceled the exam and restarted again and started doing. So what PMI used, they jumbled the questions and also the
Answers.
answers. So, but I could able to hit the proper answers. More than 70% of the times I could able to pick the answers correctly. But that really made the difference.
Hmm.
So ultimately, I think and the real PMI exam questions also similar to the PMI mock exam.
Yeah, yeah, that's how it will be. But whatever you practice, that day should be your day.
That's right. What you said is right. Yeah.
Right, right. It's something like going for an interview. We prepare a lot for the interview. That day, sometimes answers will flow through. Sometimes it won't flow through. That's how it is. Okay, very good. So we spoke about exam. We spoke about the preparation, and let's talk about the books. Which book you started liking more?
It's ultimately PM book.
Uh,
I started reading Rita, but it is really exhaustive, very informative.
Too much.
But too much time we
Yeah.
working like every month first week it's like for me it's like 12 to 16 hours, so I could not spend much time in the first week.
Yeah. Yeah. Little
So I
hike.
start,
Little hike in
yeah.
that. I agree.
So
I agree.
and one more challenge for me was like August and September was like very tight. I could not able to spend time every day. I was
Oh,
not consistent enough to read every day.
got
So
you.
what I spent a lot of time on the weekends and started reading this PMBOK.
Hmm.
I read the PMBOK 2 times.
Wow.
A couple of chapters, 4 to 5 chapters. I read 4 days before the exam once again on a single day. I
Oh.
sat and I completely read, but it was
The language
really
is good, right? When you read Pembroke, the
absolutely
language
good,
is
and it is completely we could able to relate it when you write the main exam. So
nice
I
book.
felt it's
Nice book. I like it, but because some people don't have experience in management, for them Pembroke will be slightly dry and
yes.
sleepy. That's it.
When you read first time, it always looks like that only. But when you started liking the subject, yeah, I think yeah.
Hey, you look like a love story, man. Huh? First you won't like it. Slowly you'll start liking. Okay, well good, fantastic. I don't want to take much of your time. I know you want to sleep. You are exhausted with the exam. Something you want to give a tips for the people who are preparing for the exam. Can you tell, hey, do this, don't do this, do's and don'ts if you have something.
So first don'ts. One, when you review the so what I've done is I've divided the paper into two sessions. 110 minutes for 89 questions
Hmm.
and 130 minutes for the second session.
Hmm.
Exactly, I followed it. First is in the first session, 5 to 10 minutes for reviewing, and also same applies to the second session. So one should not change the answers.
Ah,
Like we flag review for couple of questions or 4 5 questions or 10 questions. So what we normally do is end of that I tried changing 4 to 5 questions in the executing the area. So
okay.
that's where I got less marks, also less
Oh,
performance wise also not that great. So one should not change more answers, keep it simple, 4 to 5. That
that's
is
good.
one. That
Hmm.
is one. Second, don't try too many things, only depend on one video, or like only depend on one source of information.
I
That is
understand.
one I say. And also when it comes to questions, read the question properly as you say normally. And also the another one, write that process sheets every day. So before going to the exam at 6:15, I started in the house,
Ah,
my home. So I before that 6 o'clock, I wrote all formulas and also that 49 process sheet. So I
hmm.
wrote, I sat and wrote, and I went to the exam. It really helped.
Great,
Because you can easily correlate where exactly the question is.
great, great. I'm so happy to see that. I think last success story, there is a person called Rekha. She did the exam. She was before the exam in the car. She was sitting and writing.
Oh,
So
okay, great.
right. So I like the way you give that tips. Keep writing. I know some of them are slightly lazy. They ask me, really, you have to write it? It's up to you. $500 you paid. It's up to you.
Yeah, writing really helps. That practicing really helps.
Exactly. Writing is a good skill to be done. See, I'm writing something for Agile from this morning.
Oh my, great, great.
I know I can't write it because too many calls happening for me. I get only 10 minutes, 5 minutes here and there. In that time, I keep writing. Actually, I can ignore it without writing. Also, I can remember it. But when I
We
write
can
it,
remember, but yeah, writing really gives an edge. Even
yeah,
I did not dump the formulas because I could able to recall the formulas as and when question comes.
right, right. The essence is different. Writing is different.
Yeah.
I know I missed it in my school days. Now only I realized writing is important. If we learned writing in the school days, definitely beaten all the school girls who got higher mark. Anyway, that's a good story there and fantastic. Give some do's. You said about don'ts and something good also. But anything specifically you say do's, please do that. Like you say, writing. Anything?
I recommend everybody to practice PMI mock test.
Uh,
We normally use Prepcast for time management, and
exactly.
also to understand our gaps.
Knowledge.
As to understand the real paper and to understand that language, the situations, and the kind of scenarios they give,
Uh,
it is advisable to practice PMI mock test as many times as possible. If you have time, 3 4 times,
okay.
you just observe it and try to practice it.
Oh,
Because
you
when I was reading the original when I was reading the PMI exam, I could able to relate. Yeah, I found out this in the PMI mock test like that. So it's like they change the wordings and also the answers also. So instead of communication management plan, they give project management plan. So like that, but the pattern is similar. It's
I,
like
I like the point what you said. Take it multiple times. Even though don't worry about the score, but keep taking
don't
it.
worry and don't look at the percentage of marks you are getting there.
Got you.
Because why I did PMI, I have to tell you a few things here. So first, in the month of October, I spoke to Vineet, who cleared the exam. He
Right.
really helped me to understand about Tripcast. 2-3
Right.
times I spoke to him.
Huh.
After that, I saw one video of that Ramachandran. So
Mm.
I spoke to him like several times. So
Mm.
he gave me tips and also he asked me to write this PMI mock.
Mm.
So I practiced it and it really helped me at the last time.
Good, good, super Sumant. I think this point is going to help many people. Many take it, they take it only once. But I'm getting from you, take it multiple times.
Because multiple times, because what happens, I found few things in PMI mock test with reference to prep cost. When you select an answer in PMI, when it comes to stakeholders, if you are see terms like critical or key, so the answer must be related to the sponsor.
Right,
You may have to escalate the situation to the sponsor.
right.
But whereas in Tripcast, they did not say that you need to escalate to the sponsor. So obviously, one should go by the PMI, right? So I've
Perfect.
selected a couple of answers based on that mock test. Like
Perfect.
if it is
That,
very critical and you need to inform
perfect.
immediately.
Perfect, man. I think that's a good point to take on. Okay, I would take this point and let this video help many people. Fantastic. Hey, anything on food habits and sleeping habits?
Nothing, Sriram, because as I said, it was like very tough journey from the month of August. So I had to spend a lot of time extending work hours. I had to make kids and everything. I
No,
had to maintain
I
all
can
these things.
cleanly make out, man. I can cleanly make out.
It's like very very tough journey, Shriram, I should say. But I wanted to say thank you to you first, but you started from the exams. I could not say thank you to you. I really appreciate your time. It's not. I'll tell you. I have to tell you one more thing. How I selected She Learning. So my cousin also joined after me. So he referred based on LinkedIn. He said, I was like, I'm not a project related guy. I'm an individual contributor in a financial investment banking company.
Mhm.
So he advised me. I was searching for better PMI training centers. Frankly speaking, I was not looking for the top names in the top corporate brands. No, I was not looking for. So I was looking for a person who can coach or mentor or who can guide properly. So frankly speaking, the videos you shared in WhatsApp, and also the last I still remember your discussion in the last class.
Mm.
Last 10 minutes you spoke about the in a career journey, how one should take decisions and everything. It was really motivating. So that's how I selected you. Based on that LinkedIn feedback, I contacted one more person. He said, yeah, you can go. So I felt really happy that whatever classes I attended, I made few friends. Because of your video, Ramchandran has become a good friend now.
Very good.
It's really I really appreciate your methodology. It's not about anybody can read the subject, but the thing is proper guidance, step by step things to do to get through this exam. It is not as easy as people think. That's what my
Perfect. Perfect. Thanks for giving that credit. I appreciate it so much.
And also Rahul for his 11 o'clock. One day I pinged him.
He
Rahul,
said,
I filled the form wrongly. I entered my surname wrongly. What should I do? He replied in 1 minute. What a man! Like
yeah.
no, 11 o'clock person helping others is it is not about money or something else. It is about the relation he wanted to maintain. Also, I really appreciate Rahul for his continuous
Service.
support every step. He shared that codes. I could save a couple of rupees.
Perfect. Perfect. I know he does a great job. So that's why the people say that, right? We won't go to Google, we'll go to Rahul. We'll
That's
get
right.
Rahul at it. Anything on PMP, we'll go to Rahul. He'll give the details. Right. He
It's
does
a
a good
wonderful platform, Sri Learning. I would recommend whoever wants to undergo PMP. Frankly speaking, because I attended one more session, I'm not blaming others also, but I could not understand anything. I stopped in the middle, long back. long back in Hyderabad, one center I attended. He was talking about planning. Even though I'm from management background, but I could not relate it to it. So it's about the way people coach others. So one more time, I would, from bottom of my heart, thank you so much for creating that kind of platform.
Thanks, Sumant. Thanks, Sumant. I can sense it. I can really see the genuine mindset of wishes from your side. Thanks for it. And it also goes back to the credit to the team here behind me, and also
Oh, great.
people listening to me. That's important, right? Why should you listen to me? You can tell, man, I know better than you, right? So that listening habit is really good with everyone who comes to the classes. That's also appreciable.
And
Great.
one more thing, this applies to new persons who want to pursue PMI. If they want to go to a particular institute, never ask about mock tests. This is a mistake everybody does. How many mock tests you give for free? That is even I asked Rahul a couple of times, how many mock tests you give? So once you start reading that mock test concept and everything will become irrelevant.
Yeah.
The only is read the book, study the concepts.
Right.
After that, you can decide about the mock test.
Right.
So my humble advice to everybody, new guys who want to pursue, don't ask about mock test. There are enough platforms available in the market. You can do it.
Right.
Ask about the methodology,
Right.
like
That's
Sri
it.
learning. So that is the way forward.
Thanks, Sumant. I know you made my job easy. Every time a candidate comes to me, first thing they'll ask is what book you will give, how many questions you will give. I can't say them
Now
like,
I feel like it's a wow. Why did I ask that question? I'm really thinking, or why did I ask that question? It's
yeah,
like
yeah. It's
irrelevant.
okay. It's okay. People come new, right? Some come with 3 years experience. Some come with 28 years experience. So we have to handle them. So every time when we listen the call, we'll digest everything and then give a feedback. Don't worry, we will take care of it. So we have to keep up the word. That's why you see Rahul replying at 11 o'clock, sometimes 2 a.m.
11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, morning, every day.
Yeah, because you know what, we may be running a service here, but the person sitting other side, there will be urgency. They cannot move forward. There are many people with a high frustration with this exam.
That's right.
They need to talk out to somebody to pour out the pain. So they need people. I see many WhatsApp messages coming. Shriram, can I talk to you 2 minutes? So I try to give voice message because I can't talk all the time because I'm another.
That's right.
So I know the pain of the people other side because I have come across that pain. So when you can't do the exam, you always look for somebody can help me. See,
That's right.
this exam, the problem is you want to find a peer partner. You want to find somebody to help you. You can't even tell to your family members. You
That's
go
right.
and tell the family members, they look at you, man. At this age, you're worrying about the exam. They don't know the pain of $500. They don't know the pain of the stress in this exam. So only a person who crossed through that will know the pain.
It's yes, yes.
One good thing I observed in Sri Learning is anybody qualified with the Sri Learning, they have a habit of helping other people. Okay.
That's right. Even I spoke to Anuj also, a guy who
Yeah,
cleared in
yeah,
10
yeah,
days back. I pinged Manish,
yeah.
Janeshwar, something. So I
They
was
help.
like curious to know because I was getting like not even 68.56, 69, 70. That's how I scored in Prepcast. So I was like, madly pinging all these guys and they really helped. Money said, you need not worry about that. You are in the
Yeah,
safe zone. So
right,
end of
right,
the day, so
right, right. So usually I see whenever somebody cross 65, they're into safe zone, but they're the borderline. Sometimes they go well in the exam, sometimes they lose the exam. So my good feel is 68 to 73%, you will be straight in the line. Crossing 75%, you are safe. You will easily clear the exam. But today I got a valuable input from you. Take PMI exam multiple times.
that really
I,
that helped me. I don't know
I,
about others, but
I
it
tell
really
you,
helped me.
I'll appreciate this point. Definitely, any listener to this YouTube video can take it on.
And also utilize Prepcast not only for mock tests, for also for the quizzes. So 5 days before, what I've done is I've selected each knowledge area and practiced 20 to 30 questions.
Oh, that's a
If you
good.
have time.
That's a good. Fantastic. Great. Good, Sumant. I said I'll take only 10 minutes, but I took 20 minutes. So
Thank you so much, Sriram. It was
it's
like
great.
fantastic journey so far with the Sri Learning for me also.
Keep rocking. So which domain you work and what is the nature of job?
It's related to markets.
Okay.
I do a lot of research and also put that into data and also
Oh,
charts and other things,
oh,
prepare reports and send it to the internal clients.
Very good, very good. So you are
So
directly with the client in that case.
banking. Yeah. No, I don't directly face the clients, but the team which is in UK, they face the clients.
Okay.
They face the clients like in UK, every company has to have these corporate brokers. They
Understand.
should have a corporate. It's a mandatory thing. So
Understand.
my company has, I think, 100 or 150 corporate brokers. So we need to assist them with the reports, charts, and other things, analysis, share price performance. So complete investment banking thing.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Good. Interesting. I think with the learning now you got, your leadership path should be a little more brighter.
Yeah, I hope so. I hope so. I think that was the intention because I'm an individual contributor. But
Sure.
as you said, learning is it's not a thing.
It's,
So one
it's
has
an
to learn.
it's an essence. You know what? A certificate does not show you the promotion the next day, but your language, the way you behave, the way you work, it changes, and they start questioning you. Something changing, man. This guy is something different. The way he sent the mail looks different, right?
I did not inform this to in my office or anybody. Only my wife knows it. And on the exam day, I spoke to my mother, so nobody knows it. I
Wow.
did not visit my village for 6 months.
Oh,
Never happened in the last 10 years.
God,
A lot
man.
of sacrifices, lot of work I
Got
had to
it,
do.
man. You
End
got
of
it.
the day, I could get paid.
Yep. Now you open to the world. Tell to the world, man, I'm a top leader.
That's it.
Cool. By the way, thanks a lot for coming up here. A lot of valuable inputs. I'm so happy for you. Now you need a good sleep, good rest for next 2 days, then get back to your normal track.
Thank you, thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, Sumant. Keep
Thank
rocking.
you.